Hi, welcome to my Excel solving channel. Today I will start a new journey, beginners to advanced level. If you want to learn more in Excel, please stay with me. I will create video day by day from beginners to advanced. In here, this is a spreadsheet and this sheet one is called tab. The spreadsheet is consisting of row and column. That means A, B, C, D, E. Those are column and 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are row. If I select any cell, this cell called column D and column 4. That means D4. This cell name D4. If I click in this cell in here, you can see D4, right? Okay. Now, if you want to add more tab, then you have to click on plus icon. And if you want to rename in any sheet, then double click on left mouse and write suppose day 01. Another way is right click on mouse and go on rename option, then click on rename and change the name. If you want to change the color this in this tab, then right click on mouse and go on tab color and select the specific color. Okay, now I'm going to on font option, font section. In home ribbon font section. In here, that is font text. That means if I write here beginners to advanced. Now, if you want to change this font, then go on in here and change the font. Then if you want to suppose I in here write in here Calibri. Okay, if you want to bold in this text, then go on bold option. If I click here, then change the text on bold. If you change the font in italic form, then click on in here. Okay, if you create an underline in text, then go on underline option. That is double underline. Okay, then this is border option. If you want to create border around this cell, then click on here. There are multiple options in border section and you can practice every option. If you don't understand, then please comment me. Okay, in here that is change the font size. If I click in 20, that change the font, and if I going on 8, that is small. That is small to big text size. Okay, in here if you want to font size big, then click here. If you want to small, then click here. Now this is fill color. That means if you want to change the cell color, then go drop down in here and change the color as your specific demand. Okay, I have changed the tab color, and now this is font color. If I click in here drop down, then I select the white color. Wow, in this method you change the text font. Okay, if you like today's video, please like and comment, and if you want to get more video, please subscribe the channel and stay with me.